Hello everyone, my name is Pritesh. I'm the community manager at LitmusChaos and I'm excited for today's Litmus contributors and maintainers meeting, and we'll be discussing a lot about the contributions that has happened and that we are gonna be, or what are the further contribution opportunities that we'll be having, and also some of the achievements that we had in past from past contributors meeting that we had. So it will be a fun meeting, I believe, right? Cool. So we have Pratham in today's call who has joined the meeting. If you can give a quick introduction about yourself.
Yeah. So hello. So I'm Pratham. So I'm currently a fourth year student from Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. I got to know about Litmus while actually deploying one of my personal projects. So I just wanted to do some stress testing and some load testing. So that's where I got to know about this word called chaos testing,
Mm-hmm.
which I think Litmus Chaos is all about. So I thought, like, why not to explore the ecosystem, like what all you guys do. And so, yeah, so that's one of the reason I joined the contributors call, and I am like willing to be a potential contributor in the future. So, yeah, so I just wanted to have a kickstart right now. So, yeah, so this is one of the reasons. So, yeah, so like, yeah, that's all about me. So, yeah.
Cool, cool. Thanks for your introduction, Pratham. And I'm pretty sure after this community call, you'll get the direction that you're looking for in order to contribute or in order to get started with your chaos or the testing that you want to do on your personal project that you mentioned. So, let's get started then. I just want to start with an agenda that we're having for today's call. We'll be going through all the contributions that has happened, some of them in past 2 weeks because that's when the last community call, the contributors call was. So we do this contributors call every Thursday, alternate Thursdays, like the second and last fourth Thursday of every month. We do these contributors meeting and maintainers meeting, and every Wednesday, we do every third Wednesday of every month we do this um, community meeting where we discussed about the community initiatives and what's happening in the community and in the project in general. So those contributors call are more related to the contributions, and in community calls we discussed overall progress and everything that is going on in the community and the project. All right. So, talking about the contributions, I want to give a quick shout out to all of these amazing contributors first, uh, who has contributed in last one and a half month. Uh, so these were the major contributors who helped us resolve a lot of issues, create a lot of issues, and fix it and improve our platform in general. So kudos to all of them, and thank you so much for your contribution. There were a lot of contribution that has happened in past um, 1 month or something in Litmus documentation. So we created a lot of issues related to backlinking and some fixes here and there, and almost 24 plus contributors contributed uh, and helped us to fix all those documentation issues. We still are having a lot of issues that we haven't created. Some of them are already created. If someone wants to get started with their initial contribution journey, your first open source PR sort of contribution, feel free to go to Litmus Talks and do that. We have almost more than 12 repositories of under Litmus Chaos organization. So in case you can check them out, all of them, and wherever you find your niche that where you can contribute to, feel free to do that. I'll show you how you can understand the project and everything in a while. All right.
Sure.
So cool. Coming back to the contribution part. So if you see, uh, These were, I think these are 20 of these PRs were merged in last 2 to 3 weeks. Some of them are on page 2. Uh, and every 15th we make a release. So whatever contribution has happened will go in the next version. Right now we are on 3.22 and 3.23 will be released tomorrow or day after. So these were the recent fixes that has happened. Majorly, most of them are either the security fixes, if you see, um,
Yeah.
and some of them are the UX side of fixes that has happened. Um, I can open some of them, maybe, yeah, like this one. If I go to the issue, it was a simple fix, I believe. Yeah, just wanted to replace all these with the everywhere we had Litmus logos, so we wanted to replace them with the bootstrap logo, which is this one. Uh, so that it's easy to identify um, the chaos hub logos of experiments which are showing in the chaos center. So yeah, that is there. So similarly, can't go through each of them, but a lot of
Yeah.
fixes were made over there. In case if you're interested, this was one of the other nice fix again on UX side. But when I joined, I thought this should be fixed, and it is fixed. So what was happening was, um, yeah, we used to have this solid green color for the experiments which were having 100% resilience, but for the error and other symbols, we were not having the solid red color or something. There was an icon, so we wanted to
Yeah.
retain that icon later. So I think Kushi made a contribution. Where is it? This one. Yeah, so we wanted to make it like this. Yeah, so a lot of fixes. Again, I think majority of the UX fixes has been fixed as per what I know, but we still can explore more and do it more. In case if you're a front end person or someone, you can go ahead and do that. We have other repositories on Go side and execution plane side and control plane side and everything. So once you start learning about the architecture and everything is there. So if you go to our website or go to the documentation, here is where you'll learn everything. If you go to this concepts, you'll understand what all things are there. Architecture is super important because this is where it shows. So this is the Chaos Center, the UI fix that has happened. Everything related to authentication, DBs, and GraphQL APIs and stuff comes into the control plane, and everything in terms of execution of an experiment is taken care in the chaos execution plane. So you can read more, understand more. I think it should be fine. Yeah. Coming back to the PR part, so yeah, we've covered most of the PR part, and I think there are some contributions that are gonna happen. There are open issues related to security, and there are some PRs that are yet to be merged, but we are looking into it. And hopefully, in next release, we'll be adding all these issues and can be releasing. We'll be releasing it in 3.2, 3.24. Right now we are in what? 3 point it's documentation. Yeah, we are in 3.22. So hopefully next releases. You can check releases from here as well. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. So that is that. Another way of getting started in order to use your um, Litmus to perform experiments and get started. I've created this playlist of getting started with Litmus. So if you go to
Yeah.
playlist, so you can view the playlist and go through this once, and you'll get almost most of the idea of like how things work here and how you can use it for your use case. Um, and yeah, we are also close to 900 subscribers now. So let's see how much. I think by the end of
That is awesome.
this month, I'm just thinking it should be there. But okay, let's see. Also, GitHub stars, we are close to 5K GitHub stars. Hopefully, I'm trying to close it before the month ends, but let's see. It's not something that I can control a lot, but hopefully we
Yeah.
should be able to get 5K stars. Let's see.
Yeah.
Any questions, Pratham, till now?
Uh, no, I'm good. Yeah. So I'm like pretty liking it. So
Yeah. Uh, and in case of someone or you or anyone wants to contribute, I'll just hide this. Your go-to guide can be this one. Um, where is that? Uh, what do we call? I forgot. A contribution guide. So everything is mentioned how you can set up your local environment, how you can, what are the best practices you can follow, how do you raise a PR, right? So all these
yeah.
things are mentioned over here, and you can go ahead and read this first before you do any contribution or raise any query or issue or anything. These are the primary repositories that you can look into in case if you're thinking to contribute. So starting from Litmus, this the current repository, Litmus Talks, CTL website, Litmus Go, plugins and everything, kiosk charts and kiosk workflows. So these are the current active repositories you can be part of. Yeah. Yeah. This is local guide. If you go here, you will find how to set up your backend first, and then how do you set up your front end locally, and then you can start running it locally. So
That's awesome.
yeah, I think it's there here also. Chaos Center guide. Yeah, here also you'll find it. But anyways, what next? I think yeah, this is pretty much from the uh, code contribution side. Um, in case if you are or anyone is interested in uh, contributing in other ways, you can be part of. I'll go back to the slides first. What are the other ways of contributing? Of course, the code is the one way you can explore and be part of this. But if you want to genuinely be part of the community itself, if you're liking it or anyone is liking it, they can contribute with different ways. They can, of course, create issues on GitHub. They can uh, create written or video content around it, and we will help you to get the relevant recognition you want in order to promote whatever you have created for Litmus. We have dev 2 page on Litmus of Litmus, so we can promote and share the blogs that we contributors create or I create. uh, we do it over there. You can help people in Slack community, start the discussions or be part of discussions. And of course, you can share your feedback on the community, how the community is running, or how what can be the best way to improve the project further in case if you have any thoughts and stuff. All these things we discuss in the community call. Hold on, let me check if anyone else joined. Okay, no one. Sorry. Yeah. So these are the primary ways of doing it, and right now we are targeting towards Litmus 4.0. So it has been a long time we are planning Litmus 4.0. So I'll just tell you
Yeah.
what we are about to do in 4.0. First is the UX fixes that we want to do. We want to make it enterprise ready product at the end. So all the primary UX fixes we have made, which were part of the contribution, which is already there. We will make it further. We further want to improve it. There are still things that are not working. I'll just give you one example. Right now, you're not able to delete the API tokens from your Chaos Center dashboard. Again, this is an issue. I haven't created yet, but I know it. I'll create it later. But yeah, there are
Yeah.
a lot of issues in this open source project that we want to make it better. Then, second is, I'm not since many of you are new to it. Once you understand how probes and chaos experiments and everything works, there are right now chaos experiments and probes are at different levels. We want to make it a single level entity entirely, and that is again part of the Litmus 4.0 release. We're targeting the release in the month of January, February, which will be a huge announcement from Litmus side. And we are looking forward to that. And Litmus MCP server is also part of it. It has been released already, but we need further improvements in the MCP server. There are some security stuff which, even if you see the Slack, someone raised it that even if after the token has only view access, we are able to make edit with the help of the MCP server. So that is on starting stage, very initial stage of the MCP server. We want to fix it and make it better further. So that's the plan of the project and the community. I In upcoming days, I'll also be releasing a very detailed video playlist on chaos engineering and resilience engineering, because I think the entire concept of chaos and resilience is not heard enough to people so that they can start adopting it on social
Yes,
media, I
that's
guess.
pretty true. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Like
I just
I heard chaos engineering the first time, like in a couple of days back.
exactly.
So
Exactly. And that's what I am trying to change by creating this video series. I've seen, even if you see on YouTube, I was not able to find a concrete playlist or something that I can just follow and I'll learn it, something of that sort.
yeah,
So that's missing, and I think we want to make it part of Litmus YouTube channel, and hopefully in upcoming months, I'll just try to make a simpler playlist in order to understand first what is chaos engineering. Second is what are the best practices that you can follow in order to perform it, and how do you perform it is something that we already have with the help of Litmus. But why one should adopt it and those type of generic questions that we have, I think those will be answered via those videos that I'll releasing. So yeah, a lot of things are planned.
yeah.
So looking forward to it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also looking forward to like have some meaningful contribution in the next version you are releasing. So yeah, I'm also pretty excited for that. So
Yeah.
yeah, I'll surely try to catch up with whatever you guys are doing,
Mm-hmm.
and surely will try to contribute and give my best if I can. Yeah.
For sure. So if you just tell me what's your background, as in have you like what do you code in? Is it um what suits you?
Yeah.
Is it front end side, Go side, or
Yeah,
Kubernetes?
yeah.
What?
I'll just tell you. So yeah, so I actually did my Google Summer of Code in 2024.
Mhm.
So I had initially contributed to build packs. So this it was also one of the CNCF project.
Okay.
So it was also in Go. And like I had to switch organizations though, but yeah, I did get a lot of glimpse about Go as a whole. I also had privilege to work upon Kubernetes and also had some experience in like reading out their code, like their mammoth code, and like understanding what they are actually doing inside. So I had to actually go through a lot of Go code, so I do understand Go. And then like though I finally did my GSOC in OWASP, another cybersecurity org. Like I'm actually my background is completely based out of security. So
Mm-hmm.
actually, I'm a part of one of the like India's best CTF team. So it's a cybersecurity team. So we actually do give CTF competitions.
Okay.
So yeah, so so my background is a lot into security. So I've been doing security like for almost 2.5 years, like while I was in college. So I started it. So mainly like all the security stuff and the dev stuff I've been doing since I've been in the college. So yeah, so that's it. And also like I have past experience in like working in open source, like not exactly Go, but like in other stacks as well. So that like I do understand code quite properly. So I think I'll be able to work in whatever tech stack someone gives me, though it
Mm.
will take a little time, but I'll yeah surely be able to do it. Yeah, that's what actually excites me to work upon like in open source. So yeah, one of the reasons is that. Yeah, my other background is like I was also summer intern at Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
So I have some experience in also writing the production level code. So I believe that that could be helpful for open source projects as a whole, so that like they can be like the code is good enough, it's bulletproof and everything. So yeah, that's what I actually focus upon. So yeah.
That's awesome, man. It's like doing a lot in since you are in college. I don't remember what I was doing in my college, but that's great of you. And since you mentioned your background is security, and right now, if you see the recent issues, most of them are the security issues on GitHub that we have. So in
Yeah.
case if you get getting started, this is the best place for you to fix them because no one, I haven't seen anyone from security background in the community calls yet. So
Yeah.
yeah, feel free to check out and ping me on Slack in case if you're facing any issues or in any way we
Sure.
can help it out, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, that was I think pretty much it for the contributors call. I cannot see more people joining, but these recording these community calls and contributors calls are recorded. So if you go to the playlist again, this is the contributors and maintainers playlist so that you can see.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
For community call also we record it. So yeah, this is pretty much it. So before we hop off, I just want to take a quick. So this is the summary, meeting summary that we maintain for each call that we do.
What?
So
Yeah.
I'll just quickly uh, create a template for 13th November. 13th. Can you please drop your email here?
Yeah.
Um, recap. We got 20 plus super fastest count. Discussed on how to get started. Litmus and chaos and list of question about. Okay, you've shared in the chat.
Yeah.
You joined with your this uh, college ID or something.
Yeah, I think I joined with my college ID. Should I send that?
No,
Yeah.
no, it's fine. It's fine. I just saw your roll number.
Oh,
Mm,
oh yeah.
he called me of my time when I used to do the same. Anyways, it's fine. Doesn't matter to me. Yeah. Think this is it. Thanks, Pratham, for joining. I'll just stop the recording now and
Yeah.